This is #1 bullshit.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dominic, and I'm an alcoholic and an addict.
Don't forget scumbag.
During my first intervention, Stephen Petrano waited 10 hours for me to sober up.
Your first intervention.
1997, I suffered a relapse. As in heroin addiction, alcoholics suffer fairly high recidivism rate.
Great. So he's taking advice from a two-time loser.
That baby young shit. I smell death in the air when I ride through the city with the windows down. Big checks, I'm about to get those now. Shorty working at the disco lounge. Young gunner shooting, love the way they pistols sound. It's a dangerous time. Invest the money that I make with my mind. These labels show me paperwork, they wanna pay me to sign. She maneuvers of the snake from out my laziest eye. Your girl a bucket ass bitch, I couldn't save if I tried. Pure cocaine. Polo rag dipped in golden ether. From the north where people are the coldest feature. Blood paying streets, fuck the Mona Lisa. When I die, put my ashes in a stolen beamer. They said they seen son passing the coupe. Youngins ain't passing nothing, they just catch and they shoot. We got talented recruits, it's sad but it's true. Lock your doors and stay inside, cause it can happen to you. Shoot. Round here on the ends, gotta know your worth before they know it first. Fridge your heart, son, cold alert. Big bitch, make your shoulder hurt. They wanna lay your soul in dirt, son, go to church. Round here on the ends, gotta know your worth before they know it first. Fridge your heart, son, cold alert. Big bitch, make your shoulder hurt. They wanna lay your soul in dirt, son, go to church.
Go to church for some blessings. The drought's a month at least. I'ma take some time to rest in European settings. I know you need connecting, it's about to be depressing. An ounce ain't cheap, but hit up Papa P with any questions. My biz handle, spent a rollie on the trip. Shopped at Louis, thought he knew me, had me taking sips. Caught my girl a bag, I'm losing weight to rock my fit. These European cuts ain't enough for my dick. My diet, paella, eating escovitch flavors. Intilla Bottega leather, so smooth it need haters. Shaved up little capers in my pizza, made me savor every vino sip. Curl her lip, she happy that I saved her. It's crazy, in Amsterdam, mad lazy. FaceTime pops, we laugh at what I charged lately. All these bags around me think I'm talking car safety. You raised the bar, I'm wondering why that bar's shaky.
Round here on the ends, gotta know your worth before they know it first. Fridge your heart, son, cold alert. Big bitch, make your shoulder hurt. They wanna lay your soul in dirt, son, go to church. Round here on the ends, gotta know your worth before they know it first. Fridge your heart, son, cold alert. Big bitch, make your shoulder hurt. They wanna lay your soul in dirt, son, go to church.
Let me take this motherfucking opportunity to make some fucking complaints too, my dude. Niggas know the drought coming, but they calling me wanting it at the same fucking price. Ask God for help.
The fuck did you expect, my man? This that physics of filth, my dog.
They scheming beneath us and hoping we don't make it out. These bucket heads look like beavers all up in the mouth. They see us, they need us, patrolling while they in the house. These butt heads criticize, stuck up on the couch. It's easy to read that the game is squarely at our feet. Production of the future, all about to touch the league. Mercenary, execute the shot you rarely see. A paid assassin, the main shooter, that's on the team. He attached the beam and sell that to fiends. Images vivid, it stick like plasticine. Limit my witnesses, I can sell a pack a week. Never been visited, the Penitang is not for me. I peddled it here and there, I gave out a snack for free. I mean it added up, but not for me. Now every trip back and forth that I pass Belize, I put a little in a Swiss account, tax for free. Fuck by the book, we don't need no hook, unless we fishing for snakes with oil on it, look. She smoking too much, the foil gotta cook. Filthiness served, but it's clean when you
I put my best foot forward and pivot until I read the court. Gremlins so hungry they eat your food and they eat the fork. But even if he's starving, bro, never gonna eat the pork. Give him a stomach ache like every time I see the fire. Feeling like spreading the filth for my sole purposes. Gave up trying to avoid the fire pits that souls burn up in. In the city full of old time killers, the old murderers. I light a fat blunt with the old herbalist. Chefing up with the chemist, that been my main concern. Other than not trying to lay in the dirt with the angel worms. Fuck making the tables turn, I let it burn. So I'm off the fiery bridge, lesson learned. This for the prospect bands, Beamers and Porsche drivers. Now I'm at the 380, 40s and 4 5s. All hooker with the black tar grade foil. She the one drinking out of the fat jar with snake oil.
Fuck by the book. We don't need no hook unless we fishing for snakes with oil on it. Look, she smoking too much. The foil gotta cook. Filthiness served, but it's clean when you hook.
You're not even human fucking beings. You're nothing but unorganized, web-astic pieces of amphibian shit. Because I am hard, you will not like me. But the more you hate me, the more you will learn.
Look, these rappers better off with a clean image. Hey, put a suit on and go the Pitbull route. I think they too used to typing, cause that's the only motherfucking time I ever see they fish show out. Put the blammer by they bladder, watch the piss roll out. I'm thinking I-95 if the shit goes south. I'ma ride, then I slide like it's Crisco out. Then incorporate a business, go the fiscal route. Originally, I drew paper off the hill, but I wasn't at Cisco's house. Sauce was passing me the pills. What I do? All I really did was dish those out. Every couple packs got cut, we switched those out. Every couple rats got cut, we switched those out. Every couple tracks we cut that get thrown out. Feel classic, nostalgia like a flip phone's out.
How much you need? We got 100 ready. Plus a fat bitch in the whip that the gun is sent me. Cause the one thing that gon' take you down, son, is heavy. Violence in the summer's heavy, cut the underbelly. How much you need? We got 100 ready. Plus a fat bitch in the whip that the gun is sent me. Cause I heard they wanna rob the dime, sons of belly. Violence in the summer's heavy, cut the underbelly. Young son, know he smooth like Calhoun. At the saloon, challenge doors under the half moon. Brown bag, cash rolls to the last tone. No, I'm destined to die from gypsy stab wounds. Tours across the border where we take the tank. Shorty need a lot of water, not to taste the pain. Count my cool, my soul on like the face of face. The ones at 30 but still need anti-aging cream. No cap, light a spliff in the left. Left out front cause the feds sit in the back. The price for the raps, minimizing the rack. My dude, please don't speak of civilizing the track for real. You know I'm trying to eat with my hungry friends and pull up in that rice color Uncle Ben's. So many souls that have where the summer sends. Souls of rally, I'm just live from the fucking end. How much you need? We got 100 ready. Plus a fat bitch in the whip that the gun is sent me. Cause the one thing that gon' take you down, son, is heavy. Violence in the summer's heavy, cut the underbelly. How much you need? We got 100 ready. Plus a fat bitch in the whip that the gun is sent me. Cause I heard they wanna rob the dime, sons of belly. Violence in the summer's heavy, cut the underbelly.
Yo, my dog, what you dealing with? Brown bag money, well situated. Made a couple bad moves, I regret it. See your face, now I smoke so I could forget it. I was always told that my mind's a weapon, but I remember you used to tell me that I'm pathetic. Shit, them ones used to cut me the deepest, but now I make a check in a couple of features. I had to find a way to try to humble my speeches. The big sharks hunt, blood flooding the beaches. I make an OT trip to escape the violence. Soon I make an OT trip to Cayman Islands. Needed up front, no more paper consignment. The physics of filth, this shit my favorite science. It's the only one that I ever studied. The recipes in my book, they tryna get them from me. Drips out the bucket, nose forever running. Dark clouds follow the whip, son, it's never sunny.
We hustle forever, I sell blood to a fucking heart. Cold venom on a rusty star. We on a type of wave that'll flood the charts. Sun square, the future wave, what the fuck you thought?
Shit, we hustle forever, I sell light in the fucking door. Cobra venom on the custom door. We ride a type of wave that gon' flood the port. Sun square, the future wave, what the fuck you thought? It was.
I'm thinking they don't think, nigga. Like, I know the hustle is a science, but it's time to teach them the physio science of filth, nigga. Look, I sell sand to the beaches, blood to a heart. I sell light to the fucking dark. If I stop moving work, all the buckets starve. Sell a wallet to a purse, charging every card. Need atonement? The priest bought the holy water from my yard. I sell you faith if you want a God. I'm selling motivation, life is hard. That's deodorant love. Sunny niggas in my underarm. I got the charm that they all craving. At the mall saving, even though I bought up all the ball maining. Cause the product breaking all weigh-ins. Like my name Damon, you know, like my siblings all famous. I could show you if you need proof. I'm selling tours in my crib like museums just to see the truth. Cost you more just to see the roof. Bring you closer to God to help you see my roots.
We hustle forever, I sell light in the fucking dark. Cobra venom on the custom door. We ride a type of wave that gon' flood the park. Sun squared and Futurewave, what the fuck you thought?
We hustle forever, I sell blood to a fucking heart. Cold venom on a rusty dart. We on a type of wave that'll flood the charts. Sun squared and Futurewave, what the fuck you thought? What you think it is, huh?
Fuck you thought it was. Fuck you thought it was.
Ha! Ha! Yeah. You can see the residue on this shit. God damn. Yo, what the fuck is happening in the city, man? Y'all better not try it with me. Look. Rum bar salute, tip the cup, bottom up. If they got a problem, ain't no hope in solving us. Living life, nothing bothers us. I paid the price already. Only shooting going on is if they do a shot on us. Coke shiny, Walrus tusk. Close to ivory when we press it up. I guess we press our luck. Turn a quarter to a half a profit. If that ain't logic, I don't know the meaning, I don't know the market. I'm sarcastic if you didn't know. Flushed a half a key when they shot me. The tear was for the blow. I never moved ever for the show. I did what I had to do. God knows why I'm here to glow. I pitch good, but I rarely throw. Check my resume, nigga. Got the mortgages on escrow. Festivus with the festivals. I make my own holidays. Might take a flight to watch the ropes. Some Game of Thrones shit. I fly wherever the fuck I want, man. We face death like we ain't scared. La muerta in my skin, I escape fair. Smell the hate here. Got a problem, we engage stairs. I don't care what you thinking, I'ma do it with my face bare. I don't care what you thinking, no blinking, winking. Amen. I'ma do it with my face bare.
They put a foot in your neck for the extra space here. Dreams get erased, shorty sniffing till the plate's clear. Kids watching they mother stripping, no daycare. Chef 400 nights, product in the crates red. I used to wanna grow up and be a cold cracker. Got a little older and wanted to be a boat jacker. Where amateurs dreamed of being a pro after. Dollars to the opiate lady eating the goat bladder. Last night I see my whole future crystal clear. My death is near, highway to hell, I'm quick to steer. Stole Eleanor and shifted gears. I saw these gypsy tears, shit could get me 50 years. I'm trying to dodge the violence, but every night I'm hearing lots of sirens. They say that gold is the cost of silence. I need the paper in my pockets piling, till I could cop the island. Every night in the city, some shots
we
firing.
Face death like we ain't scared. La muerta in my skin, I escape fair. Smell the hate here. Got a problem, we engage stairs. I don't care what you thinking, I'ma do it with my face bare. I don't care what you thinking, no blinking, winking. Amen. I'ma do it with my face bare.
Tonight I stand on the edge of eternity, where she left me in the darkness of despair. I've been turned away by heaven. Now let the devil hear my prayer.
We giving them that pain.
all day, all day. You can smell the shit through the hallways. I be signed with the stove lit. People's dying late, run the dope pit. Might steal a beamer and go pick up one of my old chicks. I can hear a metronome out of that girl's nose strips. Oh shit, yo, who it be, son?
You know it be me, I'm about to pull up, I got the CDs. Glassmaster press rap fresh like a kiwi. Let's go and ship them out, dog, they needy. Let's give them the filth like a VD. I heard you got a couple drippy noses seeking service. If they bugging and they needy, I got some for purchase. If they fucking and you need it just to help they urges, I'll come through like Jim Duggan with the wood on purpose. Scotty Hall with the razor's edge. She line them up like she's sponsored by Adidas, think she made a pledge. She fill arenas if she gave them head. Slurping and working shit, I never even seen a bed. It's crazy how the drugs keep her moving. That reminds me, I left my other phone in the coupe and I know it's ringing off, cause the stove's lit and proven. Every life it touches, you can see it from my jewelry.
I be signed with the stove lit. People's dying late, run the dope pit. Might steal a beamer and go pick up one of my old chicks. I can hear a metronome out of that girl's nose strips. Oh shit, yo, who it be, son? I be signed with the stove lit. People's dying late, run the dope pit. Might steal a beamer and go pick up one of my old chicks. I can hear a metronome out of that girl's nose strips. Oh shit, yo, who it be, son?
Tonight I stand on the edge of eternity. Wait.
What the fuck, Futurewave, man? We the fucking filthiest physicians out here. Yo, let me fill out some prescriptions for these niggas, man. They can't forge greatness. You want the filth, you gotta come through us. Pause.
Right, Mia. So listen, I gotta go. Right? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me.
Yo, let me talk to him. You still see the hook of vomit on the pillowcase. She down with her eyes open. That shit was still awake. Now my only feeling is to go and feel it safe. Got in 58, not a minute late. Bleeding gums and feel his face. Been trying to live life righteous, son. That's why it's 3 times as still for the price of one. Bite your tongue or lose your whole face. If the good have died young, then I'm destined to die all day. From courtside to Hooterville, I spread the super fill. Started Coupe de Ville and drove it through the hills. 1,000 more cops, but they shooting still. And hot pursuit, put a bullet through the cruiser wheel. My dude, we lucky, made a good getaway. Now I'm trying to humble, cause I'm proud of what the legends play. Kept my shot on my path, son, I never strayed. I need that root of evil, same way the reverends pay. I'm giving up for a proper run. I'm the one, cool enough to moonwalk on the sun. Told lies on her name, so we lost his thumbs. Bleeder Murphy rubbed the powder on his rotten gums. I'm giving up for a proper run. I'm the one, cool enough to moonwalk on the sun. Told lies on her name, so we lost his thumbs. Bleeder Murphy rubbed the powder on his rotten gums.
I talk a lot of game. Due to my circumstance, hustle been my only motive. See, I'm built dog, we not the same. Put investments in the pills to weed out decay. That's why my tracks run it over without the train. Made the crack, heads dealt the pain. Melt the face early, got them higher than a Delta plane. If I'm sorry cause you felt the way, I'm probably lying. I feel so clean, we proudly wearing stains. My lady begging me to transition. She thought I was doing shows, crossed the border, had it in the transmission. I brought it back and told mans, listen, lest you changing gender roles, you better sack up, ain't no trans switching. Cooking up in the spam kitchen, we call it pork sauce before the ice rocket and the hands twisted. I woke up early only yesterday. Just to count it, now my hands twitching. Carpal tunnel is my damn vision.
3 the hallway, death come in threes. Call us a triple threat. Bring a damage to you bitch rappers, soft as a pillow set. Here to terrorize, black ISIS, that's heavy bombing shit. Kill rappers and I cook them and need them up, Jeffrey Dahmer shit. See the kind of shit that I'm on, a Hannibal mind frame. I just wanna eat them alive and cannibal live brains. Lot of rappers, bitches and pussies, so no I'm coming hard, no disrespect. I beat them to death like they the son of God. Affiliated with criminals, I got family ties. Underworld, organization know how to handle crime. I'm from the rock where you robbing the server raw here. AK-47, Mac 11, German warfare. My cousin JJ, he crazy, no he don't play if he hop out with the AK or trade agents, know it's Mayday. Directed to you niggas on some sucker shit, we bust your shit. No you couldn't fuck with this, the flow sicker than us, you
That
bitch.
be the young shit. I'm giving up for a proper run. I'm the one cool enough to moonwalk on the sun. Told lies on her name, so we lost his thumbs. Bleeder Murphy rubbed the powder on his rotten gums. I'm giving up for a proper run. I'm the one cool enough to moonwalk on the sun. Told lies on her name, so we lost his thumbs. Bleeder Murphy rubbed the powder on his rotten gums.
Yo, Jerry! The blades are on.
You know, Dark Family. Right? And it's like, I was like, oh,
Those are the blade ones.
Damage and shit, eh?
Those are the blade ones.
Look at that. You get into the scrap or what?
And because of that, like, yo, he made him
Yeah, they got
What do you mean?
bones.
Look at the strap. Damage and shit.
Shit, you know what time it is. I don't give a fuck, my dude. I want that motherfucking money, man. Nice and discreet, nice and neat. Yo, my dude Asun was poppin'. Future, I need the navy blue Audi coupe quattro with the rally school. In the back alley, setting up the alley. You know, high percentage off the catch and shoot. Chicken cacciatore after lunch, I'ma swing the package store. It's called a clinic, what we put on display. Born to cook on the spot, then we ship it away. Feel bad for the youngins I've been living today. They saw 100, they just wanna make you sit in your grave. Tryna fly to Tokyo, my dude, Japanese tour. More revenue streams, the bread increase more. Still got Junior flying up the East Shore. Hit the elevator, going 53 floors. You might see me in the low fit. Invest the paper, you might see me in my own shit. Shorty sniffing up the whole zip. 28 grams in a week, then she need a nose skate. They gonna bump this shit for 100 days. Tell the hate around here, cause no love is near. The dope got your girl like a puppeteer. She look in the mirror and cry bloody tears. They gonna bump this shit for 100 days. Tell the hate around here, cause no love is near. The dope got your girl like a puppeteer. She look in the mirror and cry bloody tears.
Your girl walking around leaking, talking about she got allergies. I sold it to her. Never question myself until I'm running through a raw dog in the Heimlich maneuver. I'ma drink till I'm thin, that's the filth like a sewer. Eat the beef like a shit's gonna skewer. I'm the shit, no manure. On the lake shore, eating bacon, saltfish stewed up. Where the white girl at? I'm looking for like a future. Lady, chill out, you doing too much. Sons of Relin, Futurewave, let's underlay. Keep making classics till the critics congratulate. On a mission, on a path to great. It was written, not scribbled, picturesque on a tablet scrape. This my out the motherfucking mountain Moses flow. Ask me why my beard gray, said I got the glow. This the physics of filth, in a form you know. Here's a Hollywood line, go and help your nose.
They gonna bump this shit for 100 days. Tell the hate around here, cause no love is near. The dope got your girl like a puppeteer. She look in the mirror and cry bloody tears. They gonna bump this shit for 100 days. Tell the hate around here, cause no love is near. The dope got your girl like a puppeteer. She look in the mirror and cry bloody tears. That's your girl.
Blood killing, pain.
Futurewave. Shit crazy. I'm just trying to be responsible. Look, 36 zips, ain't a Michael Jackson jacket. Plastic Vaseline, extra plastic. It's a rap, that's a package. Hit Vladimir, now it's falling out the air, I just catch it. Double it up, then I pass it. No Ramadan, on some fast shit. Move it, hit it, flip it. Too specific, let me back with. Niggas in court, they get they track heard. I got my cash first, clean businesses. I wash my hands dirt, keys witnesses. Device we use while they picking up linguistics quick. It's an iPhone, they watching every click. Buckets on they list, buckets on my list. Bucket full of crabs, I'm trying to leave this shit.
You have to get as dirty as we are. You have to filter yourself with who we are.
Keep your foot on their neck, don't let them get a breath. Shit, I've been cooking all night, man, I never slept. Shit, I was gonna tell him chill, but I let him shut. I just step back in the lab, like I never left. Keep your foot on their neck, don't let them get a breath. Shit, I've been cooking all night, man, I never slept. Shit, I was gonna tell him chill, but I let him shut. I just step back in the lab, like I never left. Put the money in the bag without saying shit. Man, I heard the feds been plotting, they just raided shit. Loose lips ain't the shit. Read the banker's lips. Shorty blow a nose full of blood into the handkerchief. Goddamn, that shit nasty, bro. We put the filth on display, keep it classy, though. I don't tell nobody nothing they don't have to know. This courtside Johnny McEnroe. My dude Ace, they can't touch the serve. They started twitching when they touched their nerves. That's the life for the customers. On the ends, the science behind the love's absurd. They'd rather make your face touch the curb. So what's the format? Welcome to the north on the floor mat. Your lady wanna know where we record at. Shit, I'd rather catch a shark off the shore on a Moroccan tour. But I gotta chef these blends for the connoisseurs trying to get super paid. Fuck with the crew for change. Sons of Rally hit the crane, kick in the Kumite. I don't speak much, I rest my case on what the proof will say. And take a piss in these streets right by my future grave. Keep your foot on their neck, don't let them get a breath. Shit, I've been cooking all night, man, I never slept. Shit, I was gonna tell him chill, but I let him shut. I just step back in the lab, like I never left. Keep your foot on their neck, don't let them get a breath. Shit, I've been cooking all night, man, I never slept. Shit, I was gonna tell him chill, but I let him shut. I just step back in the lab, like I never left.
Shit got me feeling crazy. Futurewave, I know what it is, man. Life is good, but I'm so mad. Look, I'm much better when I'm pissed off. The last nigga that tried it got the hands. From his hands I got his wristwatch. His girl looked mad embarrassed, he got ripped off. I told her me to let go, this a fresh start. I hand my phone to her and told her put a number in it quick before the fucking time light switch off. Saved it under drama, then I dipped off. That move had a man frozen like Kristoff. Sent example of a true bully. Big ghost ooze hoodie, match the Toro 4's two goodies. She said Tuscan leather smell too woody. It costs more than your life, bitch, move from me. I made more wages on a poker table. I'm sorta famous, not for rap, for moving portions with assorted labels. Peruvian flake, the yayo, it won't close your nasal. Two in the plate, you pay it, I'm a match appraisal. We on the path to great, you better place your bet. It was all engraved on the ancient steps. Move forward, looking back, it's misplaced regret. That's why we lead the league, we negate the press. We on the path to great, you better place your bet. It was all engraved on the ancient steps. Move forward, looking back, it's misplaced regret. That's why we lead the league, we negate the press.
I'm on the wave, but got the biggest yacht sinking fast. Couple things I regret, I can't bring them back. Some money that I lost at the casino's place. Couple shadows in my past, now I never see the face. Still I need the type of mansion where Bruce sitting.
suit fitted, enjoy top of the roof vision. My troops winning, I'm interested in coupe switching. Look the liar in his eyes when the truth fit him. Pupils dilated, that's off the product placement. Double wrap the package, that's what they got to stay like that. But they cut your tongue off, you never got to taste it. Train spotters, heroin up in the Scottish basement. Real filth, I'll take you on a field trip. Love a bougie chick, she fly when the hills click. They don't hesitate now, they hit the kill switch. Youngins on a power trip, they just want to devour shit. Got the taste of blood and learn the cost of it. That was never my fix, but my dude need lots of it. Digest the facts, I got a strong stomach. Cooking stowing up in the mouth bucket, Santa Maria.
We on the path to great, you better place your bet. It was all engraved on the ancient steps. Move forward looking back is misplaced regret. That's why we lead the league, we negate the press. We on the path to great, you better place your bet. It was all engraved on the ancient steps. Move forward looking back is misplaced regret. That's why we lead the league, we negate the press.
I made this one for the hookers with the scabs on their knees. Formula 16. Cold sores on the goddamn mouth. Like how you making money, my girl? How you doing that? Shit looking very desperate. You're not looking so good. I'm trying to sympathize with your situation. I want my daughters that girl. Let me drop a couple quarters in your fucking head. I've been busy filling up 100 orders. Got dreams, I'm moving around in custom Porsches. Product strong, if you indulge, it's gonna cost you. Seen a couple under bosses turn to fucking snorters. City crazy, couple rounds underneath the seat. Man's trying to humble down, couldn't keep the peace. West end to the east, it give me the creeps. Everywhere I go, police sitting in jeeps. I want a good life for my future son, but every night around here somebody moves along. They need shooters in the ends where they recruiting from. No more cutting your fingers off as a rule of thumb. Can't imagine this shit when it happen everywhere that we passing the way. Young and stabbing the way. Now we keep a couple straps in their head. Through the storm I try to captain the ship. Sometimes it's hard.
I close my eyes, hear the angels sing. It's not the wind, I swear I see no wings floating. Am I even in my skin? Is this a dream? It's telepathy telling me I'm about to win. Wash my face, gotta douse my chin. Wipe the coke resi off my ring. I sifted so much today, I'm hallucinating's what it is. I see myself, but I'm on a different plane. My higher self, yeah, it's on a different plane. Paris, Amsterdam, and Spain, seen them all on different planes. That product that I spray with acetone make them slave. They back twice a day for a half, at least I weigh. Ain't talking about a gram, I'm talking half a Z a yay. I'm talking out the crib, gas is premium I pay. If I'm taking risks, I make them meaningful is what I say. What's menial to me is probably really full today. But I don't live for they, I'm really living for today. Rivera is my attitude, I'm looking up to Che. Give a nigga gratitude for how I made a fucking way, cause it's real. I'm feeling truly insightful. I'm feeling truly remarkable. Let me talk to her.
We encountered a young fellow entering the United States from Mexico, eating an ice cream cone. A search revealed that he had an ounce of heroin concealed in the ice cream cone.
I'm getting currency, jet life. I'm set nice like my coupe is plush. You after fame, I'm after legacy. Eating at the table with my troops, we up. V8 for tomatoes, that's not juice to us. V10 and pedal to the metal, boosting up. They wonder how I did it, off recouping dust. But there's plenty businesses if you groove me up. I'm cutting product, cutting hair, cutting product, cutting gear, cutting product, cutting years off the life of buckets near. Swearing that I'll never give up till I'm living half a year. Doing visits in the motor, travels flying in the lair. Next stop to Belize, we spend it half a week. Hit New Zealand for an evening, then we breeze. Jamaica second home, then get back to fucking beach. Visit Italy for food, no more tapping Uber Eats. I'm getting currency, jet life. We sat nice like the coops is plush. They after fame, we after legacy. Eating at the table with my troops, we up. They after money, we want success. Meet us at the top for the proof and such. Respect is earned, validations for the lookers through this BTS. Cool as fuck.
You know I'm trying to get rich soon, but still I ain't shit yet. You know, keep my head above the water, live off a quick breath.
and dodge a kiss of death. Shorty got her lips wet. Cases of my weird substance in my piss test. Sometimes it's good to live like you'll never die. When it's time to put me beside the furnace and let me fry. When it comes to the vision, sometimes they question mine. But now these people around the world want they reconcile. 1,000 blunts got me frosty. Paranoid, checking the door. Swear I heard the cops knocking. Neighbors looking out the window. Stop watching. Powder or rocket, they wanna catch you with that hot pocket. Oh, not me though, my man. I guarantee we gon' eat off my plan. Cause the legends always feed all day. Family man, caught my finger bleed on my hands.
I'm getting currency, jet life. We sat nice like the coops is plush. They after fame, we after legacy. Eating at the table with my troops, we up. They after money, we want success. Meet us at the top for the proof and such. Respect is earned, validations for the lookers. Do this BTS, cool as fuck. Dumb.
Fuck what time it is, huh? Just a young man's game. We don't need your beat. If you feel what I'm saying. Inhale the blunt's power, it turned my lungs sour. Shorty drinking like a fish, she taking rum showers. Told me that she got dreams of working Trump Towers. She the ones you get for cheap, but she gon' rush the hours. Now all of her clients want her to cut the rates. She crawling the corporate looking for crumbs and flakes. Her daughter was adopted for the youngest sage. These the kind of filthy buckets that the summer's made. I've been chefing for months and built a fire stash. In the pressure cooker, that's where the Titans clash. Labels tryna sign us for designer cash. I heard they got your ass for a Metro pass. Now we on the road that a town pay. Use a different Crown Vics, now we selling sound waves. Burn the whole palace and let the crown blaze. Life for the scale, right on point where the count stays. They acting like they get around, but out here they never found. All that talking, let me see you say it now. Shit, I smack an old man in his mouth. I see they tryna keep their head above the water, but I let them drown. They acting like they get around, but out here they never found. All that talking, let me see you say it now. Shit, I smack an old man in his mouth. I see they tryna keep their head above the water, but I let them drown. What you do, son?
Snakes in the sack, we let them squirm. Ain't no words for a fake, it's just smack. Treat them like Nipsey did, these fake hippie kids. Ain't never seen a face in the mask. Son told me that they flagrant as ass. Yo, Futurewave, he mad? He hating yous like hating his dad. I seen this with another you who played in my past. They call him bomber, all he bombed is waste in the ash. We don't need your beef. They remind me of my old bitch. Man, they hopeless, running around girly on some hoe shit. Talking loud, you don't know shit. I ain't being clever, this a cleaver, get your toe snipped.
They acting like they get around, but out here they never found. All that talking, let me see you say it now. Shit, I smack an old man in his mouth. I see they tryna keep their head above the water, but I let them drown. They acting like they get around, but out here they never found. All that talking, let me see you say it now. Shit, I smack an old man in his mouth. I see they tryna keep their head above the water, but I let them drown. What you do, son?
I guess I ought to shout hooray, because we said goodbye today.
And I'm on my own again.